So I've been using the Capital One Venture Rewards card for a little while now, and I get why so many travelers swear by it. It's simple, flexible, and earns rewards on literally everything I buy. But is it still one of the best travel cards in 2025? Or are there better options out there now? Let me give you my honest take, the pros, the catches, and whether this card actually delivers real value. In this video, I'll break down the Capital One Venture Rewards card, how the rewards work, travel perks you might not know about, what the $95 annual fee really gets you, and whether it's the right card for your travel goals. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. Earn 2 miles per dollar on every purchase. No categories, no rotating gimmicks. New cardholders get 75,000 bonus miles after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. That's worth $750 toward travel. Unlike many cards, you don't need to track spending categories. You're always earning. Miles can be used to erase travel purchases, flights, hotels, car rentals, even Airbnbs, or transferred to over 15 travel partners, including Air Canada, British Airways, Emirates, and more. This gives you flexibility, whether you prefer simple redemptions or want to dive into transfer programs for better value. You also get up to $100 credit for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry, 2 complimentary visits per year to Capital One lounges or Plaza Premium lounges, no foreign transaction fees, travel accident insurance, rental car coverage, and 24/7 travel assistance. While it doesn't go as deep as ultra premium cards, it gives you solid benefits for a moderate fee, $95 annual fee, but between the $750 welcome bonus, 2x miles on everything, and the TSA credit, it's easy to earn that back fast, especially if you travel even just twice a year. This card lives in that sweet spot. Better than basic, but not ultra premium. Let's be real, it's not perfect. Lounge access is limited to 2 visits per year, unless you upgrade to Venture X. Transferring miles to travel partners takes a little strategy. It's not always one-to-one value. You don't get elevated status perks like hotel upgrades or elite tiers. So if you're a luxury travel hacker, this might feel too mid-tier for your goals. Who this card is for? The Capital One Venture card is perfect for travelers who want simple rewards without tracking categories, people who don't want to overthink redemptions, anyone looking for a strong travel card under $100 a year. Not ideal for people who want airport lounge access all year, those who prefer cash back over miles, ultra premium users looking for luxury perks. The Capital One Venture Rewards credit card strikes an ideal balance between simplicity and travel value. If you want a no-fuss way to earn and redeem miles, and you're tired of juggling categories, this card delivers. And with flexible redemptions, solid travel perks, and a generous welcome bonus, it's still one of the best mid-tier travel cards available in 2025. If this review helped you out, hit that super thanks and subscribe for more no-fluff credit card breakdowns. Have questions or already using this card? Drop your experience in the comments. I always respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.